If you want to share your location with specific contact on your iPhone 16, then first of all, you will have to remember to be connected to the Wi-Fi or mobile data, and also be sure that you enable location. Then you will have to go into the Find My, and you will have to click on the people in the left bottom corner and tap to start sharing location. And now right here, all you have to do is just to input the name of the contacts manually, or you can also click on the plus and you can simply select someone by clicking here. And now if you want to add this person, click on the number, and as you can see right now, this person appears right here. And if you want to share location with this specific contact, you will have to click send, and now it will be actually finished. So you can share it right now for 1 hour until end of the day, or you can get this infinite sharing. So you can decide which one you're gonna pick. And yeah, that will be all. Thanks for watching, and right now please subscribe.